Hey you! What? You talking to me? Yes, you! Do you like washing machines? No, not really. Why? Do you like men? Whoa, man, you're taking it too far there. No, I do not like men. I like washing machines, but you love men, that's great. So, I was thinking, since you love washing machines so much, and men... Dude, man, I don't like men, okay? And I don't want what you're selling, okay? I don't want what you're selling. Well, you're going to love my latest product, the Washing Machine Man. Well, what does it do? Nothing! If you don't believe me, take a look for yourself. I love it! Where can I buy one? Oh my god!